What's up? So we are just arrived to the Andaz Bali, which is the newest hotel in Sanur. It actually belongs to the Hyatt Regency, the other side of the hotel. That's how it looks. Here is the one kind of lobby, restaurant. There is the main lobby. There is the another restaurant, and here and there is just totally brand new.
Actually, they have 5 brand new restaurants, and they said that this is the first Andaz in Indonesia.
Seems like a very beautiful place for stay in Sanur right now, and also probably for dining experience. We are going now to the restaurant.
And they said that, I don't know, this is part of marketing or something, but they said that this is the most luxurious hotel in Sanur, they said. And Andaz actually part of Hyatt. So yeah. So I think this one is another swimming pool. They said they have many swimming pools.
Many swimming pools. This one looks small next to the restaurant. And here we go. We will see some people around. It's just not so bad, not so bad. Over there is already beach. Okay, so the situation looks like this as we are already in the restaurant, and it's called Fisherman's Club, and it's typically a seafood restaurant in Andaz. I will show you the menu, how it looks a little bit. So that's how it looks, the menu of this place. This is the Sayang looking beautiful today. We are just ordered, yes honey? I will meanwhile show you around how it looks, the property of Andaz. Yeah, just listen, as so many people was around walking and asking, this is the Hyatt or this is the different hotel, and it's complicated to explain you because basically the hotel is proud to being the Andaz, which is independent brand, but it belongs to the Hyatt group, and on the official website you can read also as this belongs to the Hyatt group, but the brand of the hotel itself is Andaz, and it's definitely a luxury hotel. Also the prices are here bit pricey, as you saw for the Sanur area, but this is definitely a 5-star premium hotel, more luxury than Hyatt, so it's totally understandable. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the situation. They have a beach beds. That's actually different little bit to the Hyatt, and so many people. And what is very surprising me is that so many local Indonesian people inside the hotel, not many foreigners. They have a security and stuff like this. This is how it looks around. Also they have a beds here. I'm not sure if you're coming just for the restaurant, if you can use it, but definitely for the guests. And also the cheapest option in the room, it's cost 260 American dollars per night, which is also not so cheap, especially for Sanur area. I mean, this is more likely Seminyak prices of luxury hotels, or maybe Nusa Dua. Not sure. I think Kempinski in Nusa Dua is similarly priced, and the restaurant in Kempinski in Nusa Dua is also very similar. However, yes, this is the Andaz Sanur. Check this out. That's how it looks. Very nice place indeed. Very nice. Like I said, they have seafood. They also have a bar. It's a little bit similar to the pizzeria in Sanur, in Hyatt next door, but it's obviously the pizzeria is Italian. This one is seafood. Also nice, as it's different. So many people, local people, stuff like this. Also gonna show you around the bar if you're already here. Hello, how are you? Just wandering around to show you if you're already here, and we are doing something new. That's also beautiful open kitchen and beautiful tables, as you see, with the boat shape. Also always like to show the kitchen. That's very nice modern concept, showing around how they cook and everything. Hello. Hello. Very nice, very nice. Nice. Very nice place. So hot in Sanur, but it's so nice. Sayang eating some starter snack. What is this, by the way, Sayang?
This is called edamame, kind of soybean.
Soybean, salted. I got my cappuccino. You know, I really like coffee. And we are waiting for our food. We will see, we will try. This is the comprehensive review from this place today, just for you guys. Honey, what do you think about this price? What is your first impression?
Expensive.
That's kind of true. That's kind of true. By the way, I would like to say thank you so much to Lindy and her partner for the buy me a coffee, and they sent us the funds to do this review. So thank you so much, and this review is for you, honest review.
Yeah, because we know that Lindy will move to Bali
And
whenever it's open, and then she really want to know how the the area surrounding Sanur. Thank you. The area surrounding Sanur. So yeah, this is for you, Lindy.
This is for you, Lindy, and all of you who are interested how it looks, the new places in Sanur. Also, they here, I think they have a private villas, belongs to the Andaz and the gazebos, and like private access to the beach, let's say. There are also interesting facts. There are no private beaches in Sanur. Some people are thinking like that. Basically, maybe here you cannot chill, but just after there, it's totally fine. If you are gonna chill, doesn't matter. It's the Hyatt, Andaz, or any other hotel in Bali. That's at least what I read. And if any hotels do like that, as you are not allowed, it's not 100% right. I'm not gonna say legal or illegal, but it's not 100% right. Anyway, some doggos here. I wanna show you a little bit how it looks around life in Sanur. Like always, you know me, guys, like to showing you Sanur. Could show you Sanur every single day. So nice beach, so nice sky. Winnie is very tired today, so let her chill a little bit. She deserves. Very nice environment, very nice beach over here. Check this out. Beautiful color of the cloud here and the sky. And doggos here. Always happy doggos in Sanur. Some people chilling. This is actually the Hyatt, border between Hyatt and Andaz, and people chilling on the beach, and nobody gonna say them anything. That's what I'm saying. It's very nice. Also, as you can see, the beach was cleaned not so long ago. So every beach belongs to the hotel, supposed to be cleaned by the hotel staff, and super low tide today, extremely low tide, not always is low like this. Here they are Andaz beach, and there are people normally chilling and enjoying on the beach, as you can see. And there is the security, and there is the beds from Andaz. Obviously, probably the top where are the beds, they are belongs to the guests of the Andaz, and if you are not guests, you cannot sit there. But over here already, where I'm standing right now, is totally no problem. So that's the big thumb up to the Andaz Hyatt. Always mixing of. When we sit there, we are hearing many people walking and asking security, what hotel is this? This is already the Hyatt or Andaz? So it's quite complicated. It's Andaz, but it basically belongs to the Hyatt. The Andaz is Hyatt brand. And they have already hotel in Singapore. As one more time shot how it looks. Life around is going to be dark, so everything should shine by the lights. Okay, so that's our food arrived. This is the snapper fillet, and this is spawn.
I don't know what's this fish, but actually they said this is the recommended one. Let's see. And the topping, sambal, salad. And this is just the envelope for the masker. It's no money or nothing like this. Just they give this for the masker. Alright, so for today we didn't eat rice, potato. Because you know Galungan, I eat too much babi, and Damian also eat babi at home. So yeah,
Smacznego. And we after dinner, that's how it looks at night from the beach. We will go deep inside. We will see how it is. It's a bit dark, but and that's how it looks. The pool situation at night. It's a very cozy place. We will show you around at night one more time how it's look like. Very nice. The weather also now is more chilled, but still very hot. Very nice place, very nice. I also have how many restaurants they have, honey?
They said they have 5 restaurants.
5 restaurants, so maybe we show you more. This is the public toilet area and some rooms here and the pool. Very nice. In general, very cozy, nice place. And here is the area of the other restaurants. It's like quite difficult to describe. It's like a lobby, pre-lobby, and all the arounds are restaurants, something like that, because they have 5 restaurants. One is on the beach side, and seems like one here, one there.
1, 2, 3.
This one is 3, and this one will be 4, but it's close. This is the lobby situation, as you can see. Also very nice flower, and also over there is the fountain. Very nice, Sayang. Very nice place, have to say. Not so bad. Alright guys, that's how it looks. Today is the day in Sanur, Andaz Sanur by Hyatt. I hope so you enjoyed. One more time, big thank you, Lindy. Something new tomorrow, like always. See ya, take care guys.
Bye.